Your chatter in Manila just opened the wrong profile. The account was warming up. Now it's flagged. You find out 3 hours later from a Slack message. That's not a chatter problem. That's a visibility problem. And if you're still running your agency on a spreadsheet, you just lost that account. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why fingerprint isolation is the bare minimum, what actually separates agencies that scale from agencies that bleed accounts, and the one tool built specifically for the operational layer most people ignore. Let's start with the real problem. Every serious anti-detect browser in this market does fingerprint isolation reasonably well. Canvas spoofed, WebGL spoofed, cookies isolated per profile. Table stakes. The tools are not failing you there. Where they fail you is at the operational layer. You have 30 profiles across 2 chatter shifts and you have no idea, at a glance, which ones are ready, which are warming up, which just got flagged. So you built a spreadsheet. Color-coded cells. A column for proxy status. A column for last login. And every morning your shift manager spends 40 minutes updating it before the first chatter logs in. That spreadsheet is not your workflow. It is the symptom of a tool that doesn't give you visibility. If your shift handover requires a Slack message to know which accounts are live, you are already behind. Dolphin Anty solves this with something no other anti-detect browser has built properly: a live operational dashboard. Every profile shows its status in real time. Ready, warming up, under review, flagged, color-coded, synced across every device on your team simultaneously. Your manager in Paris updates a profile status at 9 p.m. their time. Your chatter in Manila sees that change the moment they open Dolphin at 4 a.m. their time. No Slack message, no morning call, no spreadsheet update. The profiles are tagged: Creator A-Shift1. High priority. Handle with care. Notes visible to anyone who opens the profile. When a chatter starts their shift, they know exactly what to touch and what to leave alone. 100 minutes. That's the average operational time recovered per day across 10 chatters on 2 shifts, just from having visibility. 100 minutes. Every single day. Now here's the part most agency owners get wrong when they first start scaling. They give chatters the login credentials: username, password, 2FA code, 1 chatter leaves. Now that information lives in their phone, their notes app, wherever they stored it. Dolphin eliminates this entirely. 3 access levels. Admin, that's you. Full control, proxy settings, fingerprint config, team management. User, that's your chatters. They can open profiles, update notes, change status labels. They cannot touch proxy settings, cannot export cookies, cannot see login credentials. Viewer, that's your agency clients who want to monitor without interfering. When a chatter launches a creator profile, the browser opens already logged into the platform via stored cookies. The session lives in Dolphin's encrypted cloud storage. The chatter works the inbox for their entire shift. They close Dolphin. They never see the password, ever. 2 more features that matter operationally and that most reviews skip. Smart paste. When a chatter pastes text into a DM field inside a Dolphin profile, it doesn't paste like a bot. Variable speed. Micro pauses. It simulates human typing behavior. How does a platform know it's automated? Not always the IP. Often the paste speed. Instant full block paste is a behavioral signal. Smart paste eliminates that signal. Second, the integrated proxy manager. Every proxy is tested before it touches a live profile. Blacklist status. Speed. Geolocation accuracy. You see the result? You either assign it or you reject it. The same IP is never shared between 2 profiles. Dolphin enforces that automatically. No manual management. No cross-contamination. Proxy health checked before it touches a live account. I have to address July 2024. Approximately 15% of Dolphin users had session data exposed in a security incident. That's documented. I'm not going to pretend it didn't happen. Here's what was exposed: session cookies. Not master passwords. Session cookies expire. They are not permanent credentials. Dolphin's response was to implement client-side encryption. Profile data, cookies, session state, all encrypted on your device before it ever leaves for their servers. Dolphin's own infrastructure cannot read it. Even if they were breached again, your data is unreadable without your local key. What you still need to do: enable 2FA on every creator account via a separate authenticator app, not stored inside Dolphin. And never store payout credentials inside a Dolphin profile. Do those 2 things, and with client-side encryption active, you're covered. Now let's talk about who this is actually for, and who it isn't. 10 creators or fewer, you run on the free plan. Permanent, no time limit, no feature lockout. 10 profiles, full functionality, $0. Best free tier in this market, and it's not close. 10 to 50 creators, the base plan at roughly $89 a month. The workflow density justifies that price the moment you have 2 chatters on shift simultaneously. Over 100 profiles. This is where Dolphin gets expensive relative to ads power. For creator accounts, the accounts that hold your revenue, Dolphin is the right tool. For promotional burner accounts at scale, Reddit, Twitter, run ads power on top of it. Most serious agencies use both, each tool where it's strongest. The spreadsheet never comes back. Here's the proof. Every agency I've seen scale past 20 creators without losing accounts to cross-contamination has one thing in common: strict profile isolation with a tool that gives them operational visibility. Not a VPN, not Chrome profiles, not a spreadsheet. A dedicated anti-detect browser with status boards, team roles, and proxy health checks built in. Dolphin Anty is the only tool in this market that has all three, plus the best free tier to start on. The link to create your free account, 10 profiles, no credit card, is in the description. One action. That's all I'm asking. Click the link in the description. Create your free account. Set up one profile. Run the proxy health check. See the dashboard. If it doesn't change how you think about running your team, close it. But it will. I'll see you in the next one.